Hey there, and welcome to Classkick. Once your students start working, this is where Classkick really shines. You can see every student's work in real time, all in one place. Now let's see what teacher and student views look like side by side. Click into any student to see exactly what they're thinking as they work. You can give feedback instantly. You can type directly on your student's page. You can even change your font color or background so your students know it's you. Drawing or marking up their page can be a great way to show students exactly where their thinking went off track and guide them towards the next step. Teachers can record an audio clip to give students a helpful hint or read something aloud to them. Students have the ability to toggle feedback on and off so they can make edits and continue working without interruption. Teachers can of course edit their own feedback and give stickers for reminders, positive reinforcement, and even to award points. You're not waiting until the end to see who's struggling. You can support students in the moment. Sign up for free at classkick.com.